All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kevin Henry. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a QR code scanner with HTML and CSS. Also, okay, before we start, I'm going to create a new folder. Let's create a new folder. I'm creating it in my C directory. You can create it in your desktop anywhere you want. Well, I'm creating my own in my C directory. So I will press Ctrl Shift N for a new folder. I will be like QRCode, another folder. Now I have my folder in my VS Code. So the next thing to do is I'll create another folder inside the QR code folder, and I will call it images. This is where I will be saving the image I will download for the QR code scanner. So the next one, I'll create an index.html file for the project. So I will so for the title will be QR code scanner. So I will be using internal CSS for the styling. So I don't need to create another file for it. But before that, let's create a div. We give it class of let's give it class of container. Then we create another div and give it class of component. Another div and give it class of module. This way. Module. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to style this. But before that, I'm gonna put my image. So I'm gonna say content. Sorry, content module. I'll put it image does class of image model. So let's show this in our web browser. So I'm gonna click on go live. It's live. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is to download the QR code. So I'm saying QR code image. Oh my god, we don't. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. You can download your QR image here. But I forgot I would not already downloaded my so oh anyway copy paste it paste on here. So this is my QR code. So what I'm going to be doing now is to go one step forward and get my QR code. So for the alternate, I'm gonna say QR code image. So if I save this, I have my QR code here. So let's try and give this a better look. So I'll say style. Then I'll go for the body. I'll give the body a width of underview width. Then I'll give the height of underview height. I'll give align items of center. Then give them padding. I don't need a default padding. So I'm going to padding of 0 margin of 0. Yeah, I think we go with body. So for the container, I would say container. I need to align it, make it to the center. So leave it part of two, the height, doing height, maybe then let get the background color of light gray. Damn. Now for the component, I'm say let me just copy again type today. So a copy component, say display of flex or then justify center or change the background color to light gray. This is two L's 0. Uh, can you see the background? Let me say black. So that, yeah, you can see it now, right? So after the background, let me leave it at black and later I will send it. So after the background, I'm gonna give it a line items of center. And give it padding of for 10 pixels. Uh, give it width of 100%. Height of 100%. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Let's give him border radius of 5 pixels. It's good, man. Now, our image is way too big for the project, so I'm gonna reduce the height. Say image model, align items, and uh, text align, set a weight of 100% and height of 100%, border of 8 pixels. Yeah, I think it's cool now. All right, let's go with the model. My bad. Let's give it pattern of 10 pixels. Um, the width of 300 pixels. Oh shit. Oh, I would like to put maximum width of 500 pixels. So it doesn't mean the line items of center background of white. We give it probably is of 12 pixels. Nice of it. Oh, this is awesome. Now, let's try and add uh other texts at the bottom of it. So what we do is inside the content module, I'm gonna create another div and call it and give it class of write up. Then I'm gonna write a paragraph from 10. Say span of line 15. Now, still inside the write up, I'm gonna create another div and give it class of attribute or attribute. So, yeah, let's let's try it. Let's try and start the excuse me. Let's try and start the text we added now. So I'm gonna say I'm copy right up. My bad. I'll say right up Then let's target the P. This is right up and this is the P. So I'm targeting only this P. So what I'm saying is align items. So center text align of center. Silence. Use X large. Font weight of the word of Buddha. Also. Now let's go with the spam. So line items. So second. No, not a line items. So I should test a line. Font size. I go to the font weight. Oh, oh, let me say font weight of 100. Then a font size of 15 pixels. Give a color of light gray. Yeah, margin bottom of 5 pixel. Oh, let's check. It's not centered. Let me align items. Oh, so there, there's no center. Oh, right on, loading. Oh, so my bad. It is. It's centered. So I don't need this. Oh, let's try this. Oh, some attribute with font size of 11 pixel. Text align of 7. Then give a margin top of 14%. And we go 14%. Yeah, I think we're done. Oh, I think we're good now.